Good medical morning. This is Watson, your warlord of the weird and prince of popping. And today, I'd like to tell you about my favorite pimple popping website, cystbursting.com. I'll put a link below so you can see it for yourself. First off, can you identify what is being peeled from this man's hand? We'll have the answer in a moment. Over the years, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook have restricted the best pimple pops in medical videos. They've deleted them, age restricted them, and pulled them out of search. However, cystbursting.com has made it easy to find and reference each day's top pops, picks, and peels. For example, here are the Derm Diva's best cysts and pops, along with a nice little biography. Want to see the latest urban skin extractions? Check this out. The page brings the best from Reddit, Imager, Instagram, YouTube, and even exclusive fan submissions, all in one location, so go check it out. Oh, and what was on this man's hand? Well, it was an egg white skin peel, essentially a beauty mask. And if you like beauty masks, actually, take a look at this amazing gold facial mask. Available from Amazon, it'll have you looking like $1,000,000.